with 29 at Princess Alexandra Hospital. A microlog indicator. It's like a micro kind of cavity. There's AMD 2 doors, which is kind of hard to make it hard to tell what lift it is. KU one voice, nice. Not the smoothest lift, that's for sure. Yeah, it's a microlog. Look, that's where the those messages are, but it's not working. You can see all the dot matrix in there. Yeah, it's a microlog. It's AMD though, that's kind of weird. It must be replacement doors. God, this thing's so annoying. Ooh. Oh shit. This thing's terrible. This thing's very low in oil, that's sure. 2,700 kilograms, 40 persons. Let's do that again. They're going up.